So the website I'll be reviewing and trying to make better is Aardvark Pest Control Service in Chagrin Falls, Ohio, where I'm from. So from the beginning, this website looks more like a flyer to me than a website. The main homepage shows the different animals that they protect against, which I think is more of a detail and not really what should be their um, main thing that they're displaying. And then on the left, it has a testimonial that's really short and honestly doesn't make them look very good. It just says quick, efficient, and affordable, which isn't the highest praise to me. If you press residential or commercial, it just says come back soon, which I think looks pretty unprofessional. Um, about us, they just have a little bit about the founder, not much about what makes their services stand out. And then in terms of the format, this gray doesn't look very good. The logo they have is not in very good resolution. So the whole thing looks pretty unprofessional, and I don't think it's a good look for their website.